Hip hip hooray!
Don't be evil.
Hi.
Cat looks evil. Just a motionless stare
Are you gonna put this on YouTube? Cross my
into
path.
your soul. Yes.
My path. What are you gonna call it?
The evil little girl and her
Cross my
cat.
path. Okay. Are you
my
sure?
path.
Yeah.
Because I want to tell people to see it.
Cross my path.
Because
To watch you torture.
did you see that?
I don't know.
You ready? This is gonna be awesome. Watch. You ready?
I'm moving because I don't want the cat.
Bye.
Oh, kitty.
I'm sorry, come over here. I'll open mom's door for you.
I'm playing with her. I'm not being mean to her. Well, why is she running away?
Cause. Come on, Glover. Mom's door is open for you. Come on.
Don't shut her in there.
She's not. She's not even in here yet.
Is she back? You do that.
Watch what you're doing, please. She's not going to come if you keep chasing her. Hey, what are you doing? Don't push her down her.
Well, your software's still good on your computer. What you do is you plug it in,